Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Temu coupon bundles. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you need to do is simply need to go ahead and access your website and type in temu.com, or you can go ahead and open up your app as well. Now from this section, you're going to go ahead and sign in first and then go to your orders and account. Then go to coupons and offers. Here you will find the unused, used, expired, including the coupon and offer section. You will also be able to find the available coupons that you can simply go ahead get it. So there could be bundle of them as well. Once I've claimed the coupon bundles, you're going to go ahead go to your order section, or you're going to go ahead go to your Temu's homepage and go ahead start adding stuff to your cart. Make sure you add the equivalent to your coupons amount or coupons reward that you have. Then you're going to go ahead go to the checkout section and make sure you have checked the bundles limitation, and then you will be able to simply do a checkout and use your coupon. Before checking out, you will go ahead go to the coupons section and you're going to tap on all of the available coupon that applies to your products and the sellers. Once you have done that, you will be able to use your coupon bundles on Temu like that. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.